I really want to
This is
get
Amber.
that long dress.
Amber cutting my hair.
Talking about her prom dress.
Yeah, she's not concentrating in cutting my hair. She's thinking more about the long prom dress.
Long prom dress.
I don't even know if I'm looking towards myself or
Yeah, I have no. I think
you
it's me. I think I'm the star of the video.
Well, yeah. It's like the time your mother shaved my head, and I wonder what I did with that. Oh, it's got to be one of the VHS things someplace. Your mother shaved my head, and we taped it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I should look that up. I should convert them all over and put them in YouTube.
Yeah,
They'd probably go viral.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, so hopefully we get some worthwhile footage here. I'm in the middle of getting a bunch of stuff ready to go up on YouTube. I haven't posted anything in quite a while, so I'm overdue.
Are you letting me know or letting the viewers know?
Everyone, this is my followers.
Somebody. Do you have any?
two or three of them.
Subscribers?
They subscribe to my YouTube channel. I think it's hilarious. The one's kind of sketchy. I shouldn't say that. You're not actually sketchy. I'm really appreciative of you.
He's probably going to unfollow you now.
No, Rainbow something. I don't know who it is. The other's the guy I work with. He's just silly.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, this Kurt guy, you get trapped in the elevator. We have this elevator at work and you get trapped in it.
Is he the one that we canoe with?
No.
Oh.
So you get trapped in the elevator, and I did a video of him being trapped in the elevator, so then he subscribed to me. So now this Rainbow person, I'm not sure. Though I got 3 of them, and somebody else too. When I posted the campsite video, somebody subscribed to me too.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I'm not sure who it is. Maybe, what are those guys' names? Blonde hair and the dark hair guy.
Urbans.
No. The girl played net and hockey, that family. Could use, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think it might be one of them. I don't know. You know, people might use their own name all the time. Anyway, that's enough for now. I'll put this up on YouTube later.
Okay.